Welcome students to my channel BioWorld. In this video, we are continuing with the topic Human Evolution, probably part 3. In this video, I would be discussing about Darwin's theory of natural selection. So starting with Darwin's theory, what were the postulates he gave in this theory? Number 1 was overproduction. So what is the meaning of that? That is innate desire to produce their progeny so that their race may continue, that is to increase the chances of their survival. So each of the organism on this planet has an innate, that is natural or inborn desire to reproduce and produce their offspring, produce their progeny. They go on producing their progeny to make it sure that the race survive later on and after that even. The species must not come to an end. So more production leads to more survival rate. So more survival rate, more consistency of that species on this planet. For example, oysters lay 60 to 80 million eggs in single spawn. So out of that 60 to 80, it's not necessary that all they are going to survive. But still, they will survive. If they survive all, there would be a great difficulty on the planet. But the chances has to increase, and it increases after that. The next postulate is struggle for existence. That's a very important one. It means individuals multiply and in a geometric ratio. Multiply in a geometric ratio means that it goes on multiply in a doubling rates. But the space and food, it remains constant. And that leads to struggle for existence. So we all are struggling for our existence. And every day the population is rising, but not the food and space in that ratio. Hence, all the species, whether it is human, whether it is another one, they all are struggling for their existence and they're making themselves stronger and stronger. Under his theory, the third point was survival of the fittest. So, in this struggle for existence, the one who is stronger would exist and the other, in comparison to the stronger who is the weaker, would go and vanish. So it means that nature itself selects the one who is stronger, which is suitable. And this is known as natural selection. The one who is stronger is the fittest one, and the one who is not stronger is not the fittest one, is the weaker one. So nature do not select the weaker one. So in this theory, he wanted to say that nature itself understands which species, which organism, which creature is stronger enough to exist and struggle for the existence. So this theory, under Mendel's theory of natural selection, this postulate, there are three of them. The most important one is survival of the fittest under natural selection. The next point comes under it are the differences between the Lamarckism and Darwinism. So the two scientists respectively gave their theory, and what were the major differences between them? So Lamarckism, Darwinism, what were the points of difference? Starting with the first one, Lamarckism theory was named as theory of inheritance of acquired characters, and Darwinism was theory of natural selection. Under Lamarckism, he mainly put emphasis on use and disuse of organ. And these use and disuse, that is a character which is acquired, get transmitted to next generation. That is, get inherited by the upcoming generation. Whereas Darwin believes that since variation exists in individuals, only fittest survive in the struggle for existence. So the one who is stronger will survive and the weaker get perished. Third point under Lamarckism was new species evolve after a long period of time, after many generations, acquiring new characters. So the process is not random. It takes a gradual process. It is a gradual process which takes a long period of time. So the character get incorporated into the new generation. Whereas Darwin, he said new species evolved due to accumulation of favorable variations. That means the more the species gets stronger according to the adaptation he adapts to the environment, so that makes it more stronger and fittest. So new species evolved due to accumulation of favorable variations over a long period of time. So there was no such factor of inheritance in Darwin's theory. He believes only that nature selects the stronger, and in that process the organism need to get stronger to adapt to the changes which gets into the environment. So that leads to survival of the fittest one. So these were the some points under Lamarckism and Darwinism. Hopefully this video would be beneficial for my students. Thank you for watching it. Student, please do share it with your other friends. Thank you.